Hey everyone, today's topic for discussion is how to get GTIN exemption on Amazon. GTIN exemption means that you do not need a UPC for your item on Amazon. In case if you don't have a GTIN exemption, it is necessary that you have a registered barcode. The only way you can buy a UPC to sell on Amazon is from the GS1. GTIN exemption can play a role in the Amazon USA market for sellers who list products that don't have a global trade item number, GTIN. It's a way to list products on Amazon without a GTIN, UPC, EAN, etc. when the product normally wouldn't have one. Sellers listing private label brands, handmade items, generic products, or certain bundled items can apply for it. You can apply through the Amazon Seller Central portal. You'll need to provide details about your product and brand and upload images for verification. Here are some things to keep in mind about GTIN exemptions on Amazon USA. Not all products qualify. There are restricted categories and brands that always require a GTIN. Exemption is granted per brand and product category. If you list under a different brand or category, you may need to reapply. You'll need high-quality images showing your product and any branding. Here's a step-by-step process for applying for a GTIN exemption on Amazon Seller Central. Number 1, prepare your information. Product details. Have information like product name, description, category, and high-quality images readily available. Brand details. If your product has a brand name, be prepared to provide it. Or, for unbranded items, select generic as the brand. Number 2, access the application. While there isn't a dedicated application page anymore, the GTIN exemption request can be triggered during product listing. Go to your Seller Central account and navigate to Inventory, then add a product. Number 3, fill out product details. Enter your product information, including selecting the appropriate product category. Number 4, indicate no GTIN. When prompted for a product identifier, UPC, EAN, etc., choose the option indicating I don't have a product ID. Number 5, request GTIN exemption. This step might be automatic. You may see a prompt to apply for GTIN exemption or a similar message. Click on it to proceed with the exemption request. Number 6, provide brand and category details. Specify the brand name or generic for unbranded items and the product category. Important to note that the exemption is granted for a specific brand and category combination. Ensure these details match exactly when you list your product. Number 7, upload high-quality product images. Clear and well-lit images are crucial for Amazon to verify your product. Make sure the images showcase the product clearly, including any branding, if applicable. Number 8, submit your request. Once you've reviewed confirmed all the information, submit your GTIN exemption request. Number 9, track the application status. Amazon will review your request and notify you of the outcome through your Seller Central account. This process can take a few business days. Additional tips: not all products qualify for a GTIN exemption. Check Amazon's guidelines for restricted categories and brands. Review Amazon's image requirements to ensure your product images meet their standards. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of successfully applying for a GTIN exemption on Amazon Seller Central. If you find it informative, then share it with others, and thank you for your time.